C. Created by Dennis Ritchie in 1972, C is small, fast, and extremely close to the hardware. It's the reason your operating system, your compiler, and even other programming languages exist. C doesn't hold your hand, no garbage collection, no objects, no safety nets. But mastering it makes you understand how computers really work. C++. C++ evolved from C in the 1980s by Bjarne Stroustrup. It added object-oriented programming, templates, and many features that allow both high-level and low-level code. It's used in game engines, real-time systems, and performance-heavy apps like browsers and operating systems. It's powerful, but also infamous for its complexity. C#. C# was developed by Microsoft as part of its .NET platform. It feels like Java, but has more syntactic sugar. It's mostly used for Windows apps, enterprise tools, and Unity game development. It's modern, safe, and strongly typed. And if you're in the Microsoft ecosystem, it's the go-to language. Java. Java came out in 1995 from Sun Microsystems. It compiles your code into bytecode that runs on a virtual machine, not directly on your system. That makes it super portable. Code runs the same on Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's known for building Android apps, enterprise software, and Minecraft. Java is strict, verbose, and rock solid. Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and it's famous for being easy to read and write. It powers everything from web development to machine learning. It doesn't use curly braces, just indentation, and that makes the code look like English. Big names like Google, Netflix, and NASA use it. It's not the fastest, but it's great for beginners and scientists alike. JavaScript. JavaScript is what makes websites interactive. It runs right in your browser, drop-down menus, animations, form validation. That's all JS. It started as a small scripting tool in 1995, but now powers entire apps using Node.js, React, and more. It's dynamic, weird at times, but incredibly powerful and everywhere on the web. Ruby. Ruby was created in Japan by Yukihiro Matsumoto. It's known for the Rails framework, Ruby on Rails, which made web development insanely fast in the 2000s. Ruby syntax is elegant, almost poetic. While it's not as trendy as it once was, many legacy systems and startups still use it. PHP. PHP is the language that built most of the early internet. Facebook, WordPress, Wikipedia, still running on PHP today. It's easy to get started with, but also notorious for messy, spaghetti code. Despite its reputation, newer versions like PHP 8+ are fast, safe, and very modern. Swift. Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014 to replace Objective-C. It's used for developing iOS, macOS, watchOS, and all things Apple. It's safe, fast, and readable, mixing modern features with performance. If you're building iPhone apps, you're writing Swift whether you like it or not. Go. Go, or Golang, was developed at Google to be simple, fast, and easy to deploy. It compiles quickly, has built-in concurrency support, and doesn't require complicated build systems. You can create powerful servers with just a few lines of code. It's used heavily in cloud systems, networking, and tools like Docker and Kubernetes.